If you wake up feeling stiff, achy, or tight, this 5-minute hip and spine reset will unlock your mobility, improve posture, and ease tension from head to toe. No equipment are needed, just your body, your breath, and your mat. Perfect for any space, a bedroom, living room, or even outdoors. So you might wonder, what's the plan? We're flowing through gentle yet effective stretches to release your spine, open your hips, and improve flexibility in just 5 minutes. Most people jump into their day without prepping their body, but you're here putting yourself first, and that's powerful. By the end of the session, I promise you'll feel looser, lighter, and ready to move. Let's hit the mat. We're kicking things off with a dynamic movement to stretch both the spine and hips. Start in child's pose, knees wide, big toes touching, arms reaching forward. Take a deep breath in, then as you exhale, glide your body forward into cobra stretch. Straighten your legs, lift your chest, and press into your palms. Inhale, slowly shift back into child's pose, sinking your hips down. Exhale, move forward into cobra, feeling the stretch through your spine, core, and hips. Repeat this fluid motion for 1 full minute, letting each movement follow your breath. This flow releases lower back tension, stretches the spine, and opens up tight hip flexors. Perfect for resetting your body in the morning. Beginners, keep your elbows bent in cobra for a gentler back bend. Advanced stretches, lift your thighs slightly off the floor in cobra for a deeper spinal extension. Now that we've mobilized the spine, let's go deeper into the shoulder and upper back. A deep chest and shoulder opener that melts away tension. Stay on all fours and slowly walk your hands forward. Drop your chest toward the floor while keeping your hips lifted above your knees. Rest your forehead or chin on the mat, feeling the stretch along your spine and shoulders. Hold this position for 1 minute, focusing on deep, slow breaths. If you spend a lot of time sitting or slouching, puppy stretch counteracts that tightness, improving shoulder mobility, spinal flexibility, and posture. Beginners, keep your elbows bent for a softer stretch. Advanced stretches, press your chest closer to the ground for a deeper release. Now that we've opened the spine and shoulders, let's work into upper back rotation. Time to unlock tension in your shoulders and thoracic spine. From all fours, slide your right arm under your left arm, bringing your right shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your left hand pressing into the ground for support. Hold for 30 seconds, feeling a deep stretch in your shoulders, spine, and upper back. Most of us carry tension in our shoulders and upper back. The stretch helps release stiffness and improve spinal mobility. Beginners, keep your left arm bent for more control. Advanced stretches, extend your left arm forward for a deeper stretch. Let's balance it out by stretching the left side. Now stretching the opposite side to even things out. Slide your arm under your right arm, bringing your left shoulder and ear to the mat. Keep your hips square and breathe deeply into the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds, relaxing deeper with each exhale. This stretch promotes spinal flexibility and relieves shoulder tightness, a must if you spend time hunched over a desk or phone. Beginners, keep your hips slightly raised for less intensity. Advanced stretches, press your right hand into the mat for a deeper twist. Now that our upper back and shoulders are free, let's lengthen the spine and hamstrings with seated forward fold. A full body stretch that relieves tension from your lower back to your hamstrings. Sit with your legs extended straight in front of you. Inhale, reach your arms up, lengthening your spine. Exhale, hinge forward from your hips, reaching for your toes or shins. Keep your back straight as long as possible, then relax into the stretch. Hold for 1 minute, breathing into any tight spots. Seated forward fold stretches the entire posterior chain, lower back, hamstrings, and calves. It's an essential move for flexibility and posture. Beginners, bend your knees slightly if your hamstrings feel too tight. Advanced stretches, grab your feet and gently pull yourself deeper into the stretch. Stay strong, flexible, and powerful. I'll see you in the next session. Let's go.